Introduction to drones and their impact on society. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, that may be managed remotely or operated autonomously. They are geared up with cameras, sensors, and different eras that lets in them to carry out a huge variety of functions. Drones have the capacity to convert the manner of human beings and how they live and work, and they're already having a big effect on society. What are drones and how do they work? Drones are available in quite a few shapes and sizes, from small quadcopters to massive fixed-wing planes. They are powered with the aid of using electric-powered automobiles or fuel line engines and may fly at exceptional altitudes and speeds. Drones are managed with the aid of using a far-off operator or may be programmed to fly autonomously. Drones are geared up with quite a few sensors and cameras that permit them to seize records and pictures from the air. These records may be used for quite a few purposes, from developing maps and 3D fashions to tracking vegetation and analyzing infrastructure. History of drones, from military to civilian use. Drones have been first advanced for Navy use inside the early 20th century. The first drones have been easy radio-managed planes that have been used for goal practice. Over time, drones have become extra sophisticated, and they have been used for reconnaissance, surveillance, or even weapon delivery. In current years, drones have turned out to be more famous for civilian use. They are utilized in quite a few industries, from agriculture and production to leisure. Drones have the capacity to convert the manner human beings do business, and they're already having a big effect on society. The founders of drone technology and their contributions. The founding father of the drone era is broadly taken into consideration to be Abraham Karam. Karam is an Israeli-American engineer who's credited with designing the primary drone able to sustain flight. Karam's drone, the Albatross, changed into advanced inside the 80s and changed into utilized by the United States Navy for reconnaissance and surveillance. Karam went directly to observe some of the drone companies, such as Leading Systems Incorporated and Karam Aircraft. He is credited with growing some revolutionary drone technologies, such as the Predator drone, which has turned out to be one of the maximum broadly used Navy drones inside the world. The rise of drones in various industries, agriculture, construction, and entertainment. Drones are being utilized in quite a few industries, from agriculture and production to leisure. In agriculture, drones are getting used to reveal vegetation and livestock, create maps of farmland, or even spray vegetation with pesticides. In production, drones are getting used to surveying task sites, looking into infrastructure, and creating 3D fashions of buildings. In leisure, drones are getting used to creating lovely aerial pictures for films and TV shows. Drones also are being utilized in seek and rescue operations, environmental tracking, or even package deal delivery. Advantages and disadvantages of drone technology. Drones provide some blessings over conventional techniques of record series and tracking. They can cowl massive regions speedy and efficiently, and they are able to seize records and pictures from angles that could be tough or not possible to gain with conventional techniques. Drones also are quite less expensive as compared to manned planes. However, there also are some risks to the drone era. Drones may be tough to function, and they require professional operators to keep away from injuries and navigate complicated airspace. Drones also can be noisy and disruptive, and they are able to pose a danger to privacy and protection if they're used improperly. Regulations and laws surrounding drones. As the drone era has turned out to be extra vast, governments around the sector have applied rules and legal guidelines to govern their use. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has mounted guidelines for drone operation, such as regulations on which and the way drones may be flown. Other international locations have applied comparable rules, and plenty has mounted drone registration structures to music using drones. These rules are designed to make certain that drones are used effectively and responsibly and to guard the privacy and protection of people and businesses. Innovations in drone technology, AI, autonomous flight, and beyond. The drone era is continuously evolving, and there are some interesting improvements on the horizon. One of the maximum big tendencies is using synthetic intelligence, AI, to allow drones to function autonomously. This era is already being utilized in Navy drones and is predicted to turn out to be extra vast within the years to come. Other improvements in the drone era encompass the improvement of the latest sensors and cameras, enhancements in battery existence and flight times, and using drones for scientific and emergency services. Drones also are getting used to gather records on weather extremes and different environmental issues, and they have the capacity to play a big position in addressing those worldwide challenges. Future of drone technology and its potential impact on society. The destiny of the drone era is bright, and drones have the capacity to maintain revolutionizing the sector within the years to come. Drones are already being utilized in quite a few industries, and their use is predicted to turn out to be extra vast within the years to come. Drones have the capacity to convert the manner human beings stay and work, and they may play a big position in addressing a number of the sector's maximum urgent challenges. With persistent innovation and improvement, drones may want to turn out to be an excellent extra quintessential part of society within the years to come. Conclusion: how drones are revolutionizing the world. Drones are revolutionizing the sector in quite a few ways. They are being utilized in a huge variety of industries, from agriculture and production to leisure and emergency services. Drones provide some of the blessings over conventional techniques of record series and tracking. And they have the capacity to convert the manner of human beings and how they live and work. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any of our new videos.